Go ahead. Okay, so we're at the garden workshop, and Roni and all our beautiful guests are spreading the cover crop in the Keyhole garden. Thank you, everybody, for helping to prep and take care of the land, beautiful people.
And then the rest of this, we can do it when we expand it a little bit. So we can just save some. But yeah, y'all get the idea. So once that is spread, now you can just go back in and sprinkle the dirt.
You don't want to do the rest of the cover crop, Roni?
No, we're going to expand it a little bit.
I know that, but I'm saying the rest of these seeds right there.
Unless you got more to soak and put.
No, just go ahead and do all the rest of that before you, if you don't mind. Because they're going to just go to waste. Because I'm not going to plant those anywhere else.
Yeah, you're right.
So this is a Keyhole garden, everybody.
So, what... Well, I don't know if you're going to cover this later. But what do you plan to plant for the fall? And are you going to plant them here?
No, we're going to do that
This is just
as soon as we get done. Yeah.
Section. I'm going to show you all how to plant for the fall over there.
Okay.
Yeah,
so
that's
cover crop keyhole set up here. This is preparation for the next season. Right now, just for the fall, winter, the cover crop will sustain this area, and then for the summer, when you want to utilize it for
yes,
spring,
exactly.
Do it. Okay.
But this is not just for cover crops. You can make this keyhole and plant directly in it if you have soil for it.
Okay.
If you have good soil, you can put your vegetables and seedlings right in this keyhole method. We're just showing y'all two methods at once, two birds with one stone.
Okay.
Yeah, we just want to give you a good section of ideas. Well, I'm glad you're enjoying it. Okay, let me stop the video now.
Okay, so like I said, y'all get pretty much the idea. You just sprinkle the soil over and like that.
Okay, let me move out the way.
All right.
Well, here's a shovel right here, Roni.
Oh yeah.
You said what
Shovel.
shoes are good to wear while doing this?
Barefoot is best, but so you don't crush all the seeds. But yeah, go ahead.
So in my yard, there's like a little trench where water collects, and like when it gets really stormy, like it'll look like a little creek, very small. But is that a good place to do something like this so it can like build up?
Well, you can direct. So, is it a slope? Slightly.
It's like I live on a hill, and like on top of the hill, there's like a little dip.
A dip
and
where
then
water
at
is.
the bottom of the hill too, it's the same dip where it's like water collects.
So I would build around that dip and let the water collect in that dip, but I would make the keyhole around that dip so when the water comes, it will seep into the bed. So let's just say this is where the water collects, right? I would make the keyhole around it, you know?
Okay.
And let the water sit and probably have this as the keyhole.
Oh, be careful.
Oh, sorry. Probably have this as the entrance and let the water just, wherever the water's collecting, let it
go into the
let it go into the keyhole.
Okay.
Well, make sure, look to see, test the area to see, make sure it doesn't overly flood where you're doing that, because you don't want, you want to see how the water flow is, and then how saturated it gets over there.
Because you go over water, right?
Yeah.
Yes, you can. That's why I was saying you
I know that's the thing.
you want to test. So right now he's layering.
And that's why I said don't put it on where the water collects, and put it around it, because the water will seep in and it won't be overly saturated in that area.
Okay, go ahead with this one. I'm about to stop the
So y'all get the basic idea over here. All you would do now is just get your hose or a water pan and just give it a basic watering.